DJI is back, and it looks like they're ready to completely blur the line between cinematic FPV drones and raw freestyle performance. Meet the DJI Avata 360, and yes, it's shaping up to be a game changer. Leaked details suggest a redesigned airframe, rebalanced internals, and a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor that promises improved low-light performance, wider dynamic range, and better color depth. Pair that with an expanded sensor readout for digital stabilization, vertical crops, and smoother horizon leveling, and you get a professional FPV drone capable of capturing cinematic shots without compromise. Physical upgrades like a rear-mounted battery, sleeker body lines, and 4-blade propellers hint at better control, precision, and consistency. Top speeds could hit 140 km per hour, while flight times remain around 23 to 25 minutes, making it ideal for longer cinematic runs. Next-generation DJI digital transmission promises lower latency, clearer HD feeds, and extended range. Upgraded software should improve subject tracking, obstacle awareness, and horizon stabilization, reducing retakes and giving creators smoother, usable footage straight out of the box. Whether you're racing through tight gaps at 140 km per hour or filming cinematic cityscapes, these devices could redefine modern content creation. Stay tuned for official prices, launch dates, and full reviews.